Aw, look at that. Breezy was sleeping. Well, she and I were watching the same episode from before. Look at that.
Tvokids, welcome to the space.
No way. This spaceship is incredible.
You can see it again, Dusty girl.
Universe.
That's right, So, I'll do it.
Oh my god, Breezy, look at that! Look at that! The yawn of iceberg is so adorable. Do you hear that? Huh? Okay, you can start sleeping.
Good night, Egg.
Aww. What a cute thing it was.
Be safe.